That's that. We have practical for this month, which is concept. This is what I'm going to do. What I'm but today, I'll be dealing with fabric for the concept, a pattern paper, a breast cup, a tape, and a scissors. So first of all, you take half inch. That's your starting point. That's half inch. After taking your half inch, you take half here. You take your half down. Don't depend. You take your half where you have your half length. You can take the half where you have your under breast. And then from there, this is breast bone. My breast is 30, but I'm using 30 for shaping. This is how it look like. So I'm taking 32 for the breast cup. You now place your breast cup where you have your half in. And make sure that is where you have your starting point. And then you keep your hand like this. Don't press it. Just keep it like that. And then you chalk it. You can actually draw it if you want. And then from there, you take your tape and you measure half inch, half inch, half inch. You take your half inch round. So after taking your half inch round where you have your breast cup, you place your breast cup again. And then you measure your bust. You can place your tape where you have your pattern paper here, or you can place it where you have your half inch. But today, I'll be placing my tape where I have my pattern paper. And then you place your tape like this. You have to be careful so that you will not shake your breast cup. Any mistakes you do, it actually determines that it's called cutting. So you place your tape here, and then you divide your bust. My bust is 30 divided by 4 is 7.2 plus 3 sewing inch. So people can add 2, but me, I'm taking 3. In case after the sewing, the join and everything, you can go back to 2 inches. So you place it like that and take your 3. This is why I chalk my 3, which is 10. So please always make sure you up your upside. So my upside is 5. Make sure that this 5 is where you have this your breast cup. You up it like that and take your under bust, which is 4. Our under bust is from here to where you have this our bust. This is where we call it under bust. So after placing your tape there, that's the up 5, and then you take 12. That's for the under bust. And then from there you take your half length. Please be careful so that your cup will not shake. And then I mark my 15, which is my half length. So after marking your half length, remember that we divided the bust here and then we chop from here. And then you place your this thing here, your tape here to divide your waistline. You divide our waistline when we have our half length. So you place your tape here. Please, this half I took here must not come down. I'm doing a practical. So you place your tape here and then you take your waistline. My waistline was 27. 27 divided by 4 is 6.5.1. So I'm like I said earlier, I'm adding 3 inches each for the measurement. So I added 3 inches. And I'm a beneficiary of the Web Charity organization. I want to say thank you to the chairman, MC Bastian, for everything that he's done for us. And I'm grateful for the fact that he has actually presented us materials and pattern paper for the progress of our effective training. And so today we are making use of the materials he has given. Today I'm going to cut a corset top, a corset gown. So this is the style I'm going to sew. Moving on, I've already drafted my corset already on my pattern paper. I've chopped everything, and so I want to cut it on my material.
So if you want this one, that is big. So this it is just keep it in. Make sure this one and this one same.
So I finished cutting out my corset, and this is what the front side of my corset looks like. And I'll place my cup here, and I'll place it out.